Part of the problem is that most people in a probable cause scenario, in a magistrate scenario, have not hired an attorney. They've just recently been arrested. So there's been some talk about having a defense attorney of sorts stationed in the room, and that is a good idea. But as far as an individual attorney goes, that's the reason for it.
And unfortunately, too, the system is set up in a way that people are conditioned now to think the first thing I need to do is get out. So the first person we need to call is the bonding company, not a lawyer.
But if I have an attorney on retainer, can I expect that attorney to meet me there?
If you can get in contact, if you can get in contact with him, possibly. But you know, guys, it's not really set up. I mean, I bet if you showed up down there, they wouldn't know what to do with you.
The other thing is probable cause is a very low standard.
But at least you can talk about setting the bail.
Right.
How about, hey, Commissioner's Court with that $2 million grant that you all got? How about you employ 2 or 3 lawyers just to be sitting right down there to listen to probable cause and bail?
But to play devil's advocate, JV, and for the caller, for a lawyer to be there at probable cause court, does a client-lawyer relationship start there, or is it merely I'm the attorney from 12 p.m. to 8 a.m.? Am I the attorney for these 8 hours for whatever people come through the line, or am I now an attorney for them? There's some ethical guidelines and ethical problems that could pop up there.
But I think what the caller is asking is, if you already have a lawyer and you're able to get in contact with your lawyer, let's say, you know, can he call his lawyer and say, hey, look, I just got arrested. I think they're going to bring me before the magistrate here in the next couple hours. Can you come down? My point is, I don't think, and I believe what he's saying makes even more sense, that if you've already got a lawyer, you know, long-time lawyer that is, you know, handles all your affairs and everything, can that person get in? And I don't think our system is set up. Like I'm saying, I don't think if you showed up in there, I bet they would be like, well, I don't know where you'd go. I don't know where we put you, sir. I honestly believe that if your lawyer tried to get in, they'd tell him he can't get in.
A lot of it's also done by video feed.
Right.
So maybe there's some accommodation that could be made there, but yeah, it's a good question.